This is Israel Discount Bank.
This is Israel Discount Bank!
It's 20% owned.
It's 20% owned
by the state of Israel.
By the state of Israel!
IDB Bank.
IDB Bank
finances construction projects.
finances construction projects
in the Israeli settlements.
in the Israeli settlements
of Ma'ale Adumim,
of Ma'ale Adumim,
Har Hama,
Har Hama,
Bitar Eilat.
Bitar Eilat.
When we say Israeli settlements,
When we say Israeli settlements,
we mean
militarized,
Jewish only colonies, unexpropriated land.
unexpropriated land.
That's what we mean.
That's what we mean
When we say Israeli settlement.
when we say Israeli
We're
settlement.
going to repeat it
We're going to repeat it
because it's been whitewashed.
because it's whitewashed.
Israeli settlements
Israeli settlements
are militarized, Jewish only
Jewish only
colonies,
colonies,
unexpropriated land.
unexpropriated land.
It is a colonial project
It is a colonial project
in the 21st century.
in the 21st century.
Israeli settlements
Israeli settlements
began in the 1970s.
began in the 1970s.
Sharon created them
Sharon created them
as a way
as a way
to be a first line of defense.
to be a first line of defense.
And now it's become
And now it's become
a step
a step
to annihilating indigenous people.
to annihilating indigenous people.
We know what that means.
We know what that means.
We did it in this country.
We don't in this country.
And shame on us
And shame on us
when we say never again
when we say never again
to mean just one people.
to mean just one people.
Never again for anyone.
Never again for anyone.
IDB Bank
IDB Bank
provides mortgages
provides mortgages
to home buyers
to home buyers
in Israeli settlements.
in Israeli settlements.
IDB Bank
IDB Bank
has branches in the Israeli settlement of Ma'ale Adumim and in East Jerusalem.
and in East Jerusalem.
IDB Bank subsidiary,
IDB Bank subsidiary,
Jerusalem Capital Books Management, is partially owned by the settlement of Efrat.
is partially owned by the settlement of Efrat.
It is a call center. It has a call center
It has a call center
located in the settlement
located in the settlement
of Muda'in.
of Muda'in.
And then one last thing.
And one last thing,
I live in Elbira.
I live in Elbira.
We have a house there.
We have a house there.
We have 5 settlements around it.
We have 5 settlements around it.
We get water 2 days a week.
We got water 2 days a week.
When you look by the settlement 2 kilometers away,
When you look at
The settlement 2 kilometers away.
you think all this greenery is in the west somewhere.
west somewhere.
Let's be clear.
Let's be clear.
Israeli settlements
Israeli settlements
are militarized,
are militarized,
Jewish only
Jewish only
colonies
colonies
on expropriated land.
unexpropriated land.
I can't go into your settlement. I live in a settlement. I'm settled.
We're going to go to the next location.
We're going to go to the
I
next
don't
location.
answer any questions.